tonight.
It is a Powerball power play for the Carolina Hurricanes, their second opportunity of the night. 0 for 1 from earlier. Now Gardner in the second power play unit goes to work. His Nate Johnson's shot goes up and in, and they score on the power play. Carolina gets the lead.
I give a lot of credit to Rod Brind'Amour. Starts with the second power play unit. Oftentimes it has to do with who was on the ice when you drew the call, but Foss drew it, and it's Foss net front that creates the redirection off of the bar. They just off the glove, off the bar, and then off of Calvin DeHaan and in. You easily could have gone with your A unit. Both units were good on the power play in the second, and Foss drew the penalty. His net front is as important as any asset of giving Carolina the lead back.
Good rhyme right there, and for Marty Necas, his second goal of